Top of the morning, mamas, and welcome back to Twice Styled Mommies. I hope you're doing well. Today is very exciting for me. Today is one of my biggest passions as a makeup artist. I was actually quite well known for my striking eyebrows. Eyebrows is an extremely personal thing, but also the windows of our souls, ladies. Our faces might be better appropriate for the sake of this video, but we're going to take time today to make sure that you have the right shape to start off with, that you know the basic principles and the rules of eyebrows before you just go out there and entrust someone with your soul. It's your face soul, girl. You don't want to make no mistake where it comes to your eyebrows. You can't fix that shit overnight. Let's shape the eyebrow, okay? But let's start with the basic rules. First, we're just going to brush it up so I can explain to you our alignment process. This is the rule of thumb. So the rule of thumb goes from the side of your nose straight upwards. This is where your eyebrow should start. So anything on this side, it should not be there. Okay, if your eyebrow only starts here, for example, you have to fill that in, girls, because if you don't, it changes the shape of your eyes. Good. From the side going upwards, anything on this side should be gone. Anything on that side should be added in if it's not there. From the side of your nose through the pupil of your eye is the highest part of the eyebrow, unless you have a natural arch. Mine is so clear, I can't really cheat mine. We don't mess with the natural. You work with your natural arch. And then, and this is the biggie, listen to me, from the side of your nose through the end of your eye is where your eyebrow should finish. Most of us don't. So this is the part you would have to naturally fill in. If you don't, again, it changes the shape of your eye. So for today, I am only going to do one eyebrow so that you can see the magnificent change. I like to work naturally. So instead of using eyeliners or gels, which I love in my kits, the gels are absolutely beautiful. They create sharp lines, contrasting, and you can blend them out. But for the mama at home, this is my go-to. A very dark chocolate brown eyeshadow from Bobbie Brown specific. It has to be a dark chocolate. Remember, I have a black eyebrow. You want to work with the shade in the undertone of your eyebrow. So we've brushed our eyebrows upwards with our angular brush, and this is the magic tool. This is what makes me so very good. This tool. Can you see? This natural doesn't have the line, and now I've created. So just like microblading, they work with tiny little upward motions. You're just gonna blend this line that you've created upwards. We have definition. We have a starting point, and it's created quite a little bit of an intake of a breath there. And then we're just gonna blend it out. Now we're gonna work on the top. And this is where we're gonna extend the line, because remember, we need to fill it in. We need to fill it in at least that much. And we're gonna start from the outer top corner downwards. And then we're just gonna soften it again, brush it upward, now we're going to create this beautiful little natural round soft arch. Same principle, we're going to come in underneath. Because we've used an eyeshadow, it's not a heavy look on our faces, and unless you're a professional eye, you're not really going to see the difference. But this is not done, unfortunately. Fortunately, we would like to enhance it by adding a highlighter. I like to go in with a specific highlighter. I like to use the Prep and Pride from MAC. It's the very lightest shade, especially for my brides. It's my favorite part. I'm now going to follow the line that I created and not that which is there. So you follow that which you want to highlight. Highlight in this corner. I tried. Oh God. But I tried. If you would like, you can go in with a natural eyeshadow. You don't have to use a highlighter. You can just use a normal natural eyeshadow. It's generally your white tone. So you're just gonna dust a tiny bit with a flat brush, and you're just gonna sit it on top underneath the arch. I always use the same highlighter on the inside of my eye. And that, ladies, is the perfect eyebrow. This is the eyebrow that is not completed, and this is the eyebrow that is completed. Can we see how it has changed the entire dynamic of my face? It gives me a sharper, harder edge, and yet we have done it extremely naturally. Is it from Twice Style to Mommy. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the link below and let me know your comments, thoughts, and send me love. Thank you. Bye.